Hey guys, I'm sorry. I just decided to sing this little. We're playing Battle Cats. I could have just said that, okay? A lot of you know what Battle Cats is. A lot of you don't. My friend Wimp does. And the person who got me into this was one of my friends, Kristen. I think his name was, I forgot. Tristan. His name was Tristan. So, yeah. Thanks for getting me into this, Tristan. And I got really far. I used to play this game a lot, but sadly, when I had my iPhone, I sadly had to delete it when I was switching over to the Android. So, sad days. But I know what to do. So, attack the enemy base. That's the enemy base. About. Yeah. I know how to play this. Okay. I know how to play this. I am not retarded or stupid at all. We're just gonna, watch this. We're gonna send just a bunch of kids. And, while we're talking about, I'm sorry for the delay of, me and 1UP Gaming Alone's, collab. We will be making that very soon. Very soon. Bye. Okay, I forgot that only has a certain radius. I forgot. Keep on saying like that. Right, what is it? Talk about now. After we destroy these things. Doges, I think they are. Yeah, we did it. We destroyed Korea. Why am I laughing? I don't think that's a good thing. Wait, we just destroyed a continent. Like a country. My bad. A country. We just destroyed a country. I don't think that's good. Yes, this was Tricycle Cat. He is really good. Wait, 30 more days. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna use. No. Stupid that. No. Upgrade. Nah. Yeah, acquired. Yeah, tank cat. Upgrade. What's new in the store? No. Missions. No, I don't do that. What does cat food do? I completely forgot. Specialists. God cat. I guess we'll start again. Okay. Mongolia. We're going to destroy Mongolia. Okay. Mongolia. Right. Right. Wait. Wait for it. There we go. like a game where like you just want to be silent. It's kind of like that game. But I mean, hey, I'm still talking, right? Right. And yeah, we're going to be doing this. Kill our cats. No, that's not good. You do not kill our cats. Alright. Can I get this lucky out? This cat. Yay! Look at that. Dead. You got that, dude? Now remember, you can upgrade your cat cannon. Yeah. Efficiency, charge, power, health. There we go. Oh no. Right, treasure. Okay. Missions. Clear Japan and battle Cat Rising. What? Oh, okay. Okay. Well, let's do one more battle and then we'll end out this video. Alright. China versus us. China versus us. Doges in China versus us. Right. Right. We're doing good. No. We need to upgrade our range. That's one thing I need to do. Alright. Seem to be doing good. Alright. So, I'm gonna end out the video here, guys. Like if you like, subscribe if you enjoy. Peace out, and stay in